Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Raid Shadow Legends. So all you need to do first is if you want to play the Raid Shadow Legend on your phone, that's cool. If you don't want to play it on your PC, I have a tutorial on how to do that. If you're interested, just go check it out on this channel. So of course, if you have a like Raid Shadow Legend already downloaded, that's cool. If you don't have it, all you need to do just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then just go open the game, and of course you would like to log in into your account if you already have an account like a Platinum account, I guess, or Facebook account linked with your game account. Or if you don't have it, or if it's your first time like playing the game, all you need to do just go and hit the create a new game or start a new game on the game, of course, then pass the tutorial and you'll be good to go. So of course, let me just go here and open my Raid Shadow Legend game, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So as you can see, that will actually be your home or your main screen on the game. And of course, if you want like to add friends, so let's as an example, let's go to the global chat here at the top right corner. So let's as an example, I want to add this person as a friend. As you can see here, we have no option like of adding like random people on a chat or on the game. Of course, you can just go and view his clan and apply to join if you want, and etc. But like you cannot invite like random people in here in the global chat to be your friends. But there is actually an option if you want to add people as your friend. Just go here to this option, which is a referral program at the left here. So if you click on it, you will have here three referral links. So of course, when you click on that, you will actually, like, as you can see, first of all, you will unlock some rewards if you have like friends and get level 15. And you have here three links, so you will have an option to have three friends. So how can you do that? So just go and click on it. They will actually copy your referral link and tell you where you wanna like share it. Maybe Facebook, maybe Instagram, maybe a social media, or yeah, a place that you want to send it to your friend. And when he gonna click at this referral friend or referral link, he will be able to be your friend if you have the game. If you don't have the game, they will ask him to download the game, then he will be your friend at the game, and of course you will get reward for that. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.